Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to be making this beautiful butterfly shaker cake topper. Let's start off with cleaning our acetate with Windex and a microfiber cloth. This step is optional. I like to clean my acetate to remove any dirt, fingerprints, and static from the acetate. Typically, I like to do a background or a printed cardstock on my shakers, but for this one, we're going to be doing a number 6, and I made it see-through, so I used 2 number 6 acetate sheets. Now we're going to grab our height builder. This is made out of foam, and it's going to go inside our shaker. This is going to allow our confetti to move around. Typically, I like to use cardstock and double-sided foam tape because for me, it's a little cleaner. Using glue gets a little messy, but this worked out just fine and I was happy with the results. I added the circle inside the number 6 and I went ahead and doubled up on the foam sheet and glued it right on top of each other. This is going to be the inside of our shaker. Just a quick tip, if you're working with glue and you have problems with confetti sticking to the side of your shaker, allow your shaker to dry a little bit. A little is fine if it sticks to the side, but if you're having problems with clumps of confetti sticking to the side of your shaker, just set it off to the side and let it dry a little bit, and that should work just fine. The confetti I'm using is these butterfly cutouts from Michaels. They're pretty, they almost look like they're foil cutouts. They're in pink, purple, teal, and then I used sequins from Hobby Lobby, and I used the tan color so that the butterflies can pop a little more. Now I'm going back in with my beacon glue and adding glue to the top layer of the foam, and I will be adding my last acetate sheet. I left this clip in. I made a mistake and I didn't add glue to the inside of the number 6, the circle part, and I laid my acetate and I realized that I didn't put glue inside that circle part, so I took it off. Luckily, there wasn't glue everywhere on the acetate sheet, so I was able to use the same one, but I just added a little bit of glue and then placed the acetate sheet right on top of it. Now that my shaker is complete, I'm going to leave it off to the side to dry a little bit and work on my butterflies. You can find these butterflies in Design Space, and what I did was I created a couple of layers to give it more of a 3D effect, and I glued the center part of the butterfly, leaving the wings exposed. The paper I'm using for the butterflies is from Michaels when they had their major sale on specialty paper. I'm using a purple that has like this holographic feel to it and also a little bit of glitter. The other one is a pink opal type of shimmer paper, And both of them look so pretty. As you move the butterfly around, you get a lot of sparkle and just different colors changing from the butterfly. Now that my butterflies are complete, I'm going to be adding the top layer of my number 6 to disguise all of the glue and the height builder underneath. Here I'm just placing my butterflies on top of my number 6 and just feeling it out, seeing what I like. There's no real science to this. Whatever you like is perfectly fine. Last minute, I wanted to add some embellishments to my butterflies. These are flat back pearls from Michaels, and they have adhesive to them. They make it really easy to add them to your paper crafts, and I think it gave it a nice little touch to my butterflies. Here I'm adding the last layer to my number 6. This is the back part of it. I also want to disguise all of that white and glue, so I'm going to add a 6 pink cutout to match the front part. I wanted to mention that normally I add a name to my cake toppers, but the customer actually didn't want her daughter's name on this cake topper. I believe she mentioned her cake will have her name, and so she decided to opt out. Now that our shaker is complete, we're going to add our acrylic stick. These are flat acrylic sticks. I believe they're actually coffee stir sticks. You can find them in my Amazon front store. I'll link it down below. And I was just trying to figure out where I wanted to position the stick. I decided to go straight down the middle. I'm going to glue my acrylic stick on top of the cardstock, not the acetate. And you don't need too much glue, just a little bit. Go ahead and add it on there, press it down, and then you can finish off gluing the rest of your acrylic stick. And we are done. That is how I assembled this shaker butterfly cake topper. I also made a banner to go with it. If you'd like to see that video, please let me know down below and I'll upload it for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.